Welcome all, thank you for watching this video. Today topic is encapsulation in Python. My name is Abhijit Patra. Today agenda, that is you are going to learn. First you are going to learn what is encapsulation, how to implement encapsulation, access modifier in Python, encapsulation, public member, protected member, private member. So this starts with what is encapsulation. Encapsulation is a fundamental principle of object-oriented programming or OOPS. In Python, it refers to the bundle of data attributes and method functions that operate on the data into a single unit, typically a class. Encapsulation restricts direct access to some of the object's components, which helps protect the integrity of the data and ensures which helps protect the integrity of the data and ensure proper usage of class. Actually, encapsulation is used to hide details of programming code and programming details, and we hide different method and variable under or using class. How to implement encapsulation? For encapsulation, we use class and we hide inside class. We hide method and variable. We use object. We use different access modifier in encapsulation like public, protected and private. In Python, encapsulation is implemented using mainly access modifier, that is public, protected and private. Encapsulation using public member. Attribute or method defined without any prefix are public in Python. That is variable we declare in Python without any symbol, that is without any prefix. It is called public. They can be accessed directly from outside the class also. This is an example. In this example, class, my class name of the class is my class. There is a function def. Name of the function is underscore init, init underscore self. Self is the only parameter here. After colon, self dot public underscore variable, that is a public member of the class, and it store I am public, a text. Then we create an object obj for my class using statement object equals to my class, first bracket open, first bracket close. Then print under first bracket object dot public underscore variable. So in this way we can get the value, that is I am public, will be written over terminal screen or output screen. It is accessible in everywhere, that is outside class also, inside class and outside class also. Next example is protected member. Using encapsulation using protected members. Attributes, that is variable or method predefined with a single underscore are considered as protected in Python. By convention, they should not be accessed directly outside the class. It is only accessible inside the class or in its subclass or child class. But Python does not enforce this. Example, let's see with example. Class, my class, dev, and there is a function is dev, and name of the function is underscore underscore init underscore underscore. This is a predefined function. There is a parameter in the function, that is only parameter self, after colon self dot underscore protected underscore variable, that is name of the variable is protected underscore variable, and it with a prefix underscore, that way it is a protected member, and it store value I am protected, that is a text value. Then we create a object for my class, obj equals to my class, then print object dot underscore protected underscore var, that is it is a protected member, and it is a protected member, and we can use inside the class or also we can use it inside a class and also in child class or derived class by convention. Next example is private member, that is with private member. Attributes or methods, that is value and function prefixed with double underscores underscore are called as private or treated as private member of a class. They cannot access directly from outside the class. Python applies name mingling to make them harder to access by internally renaming the attribute. Example, underscore var becomes underscore class name underscore var. Let's see with an example. Class my class, that is name of the class is my class, colon, after that dev, that is define a function, name of the function is underscore init underscore, after that init function have a single parameter self dot underscore private underscore var. This is a private member of the class my class, and it stored value I am private, that is a text. And then I am creating an object of my class, object equals to my class, bracket open bracket close. And if I going to print of object dot underscore private underscore var, that is I am accessing the private variable outside the class using object. In that case it shows a error, and that is called attribute error. My class object has no attribute underscore private underscore var. You can see an error like this. We can access the value in this way, not above like object dot underscore private underscore var. We can access this value using print object dot underscore my class underscore private underscore var. Then it is accessible using name mingling with class name. Okay, in this table, in the following table, you can see access modifier. in Python, it shows class member specifier like public member, protected member, private member. Public member is accessible from own class, from derived class, and also from object. That is, you can access public member using object. In case of protected member, it is accessible from own class, from derived class, but not accessible outside using object too. In case of private member is accessible inside own class, but not accessible in derived class or using object. Encapsulation in Python. That is summary of this video. That this ensures the internal state of object is accessed and modified in controlled way. That is, encapsulation is used to hide programming details using class and object, and also using access modifier. If that's all for today. If you have any query or question, you can post your question or query in the channel or in your community. Thank you.